All right, guys, today I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy. Now, this is for you entrepreneurs, business owners, real estate agents who use content marketing, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. You use these social media sites and maybe several others to create some good content with the purpose of getting your brand out there, getting your message out there, driving affiliate commissions, driving real estate sales, driving business to your business from this content. And you can repurpose the content multiple times. Well, one of the challenges that we have as business entrepreneur and business owners is sometimes it can be difficult to not only create the videos, but to create um, the descriptions, the titles, the tags for these. And we use different paid products like TubeBuddy and different SEO optimized sources. And sometimes it can get expensive. Well, if you've been following social media for the last 24 to 48 hours, especially on TikTok, now I'm starting to see it on YouTube. The ChatGPT AI is blowing up. Like everybody's talking about it. So I went ahead and I grabbed myself a free account. And this is not a ChatGPT demo, but I'm telling you, if you haven't seen it, go and Google it, get yourself an account and watch what you can do with it. So one of the things that I struggle with as a real estate agent when I put out content, either for realtors or for clients, um, is taking the time to really optimize the titles, descriptions, and tags. Right? I'm I'm wanting my content to rank, and just putting a video out there isn't going to do it. Your title description has to be on point. Your title, the description, and then your tags. Now, I do use TubeBuddy, and I'll probably continue using it maybe at some point, depending on how incredible this Chat GPT ends up becoming. And right now, from what I'm seeing, it's incredible. I might dump some of those paid services based on what I'm seeing so far. But let me take you into an example video. This is a YouTube video that I shot, and it's really a minute video. It's a promo. It's a strategy to show agents a marketing idea to get a possible listing appointment. Now, the title that I wrote was Fizbo Ninja, the real estate ninja. I like to throw it in, but this title has nothing to do with rankability. That's why the video itself has not really seen a lot of views, and this description is not that great. I mean, it's just not. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead just for the heck of it, and I don't know why this happens, but slows down really bad when you're doing these types of recordings using a third party software. But let's get rid of that, and I'm going to get rid of this. So what I did is I actually took the concept of the video and I went into ChatGPT and I said, write an optimized title for YouTube on how to get a FISBO listing. And here's the title: How to Get a FISBO Listing, Tips and Strategies. Now, what the software says is this title uses keywords that are relevant to the topic of getting a FISBO and includes a clear and compelling value proposition that highlights the benefits, right? So this is already optimized. So I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to drop that title. Now, I'll probably get rid of the um, stuff that I don't want to show up on the actual search results, um, quotations, and leave it at that. How to get a FISBO listing. There you go. Now, then I went over to ChatGPT and I said, write an optimized description for YouTube on how realtors can get a FISBO listing. So to get a, I'm just going to copy this, guys. Right? I'm going to go back to my video and I'm going to drop this title. To get a FISBO for sell by owner listing as a realtor, there are a few key steps you can make. Now, some schools of thought say take this title and write it in the first sentence, right? So I might come back after I do this and repurpose the first sentence to really reflect that sentence right there. But there we go. Now, I also went to ChatGPT and I said, write, let me get rid of that, write YouTube tags for title, how to get a FISBO. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Now, I've not done this before, so I'm not sure if this is going to work, if I have to go in a Word doc and set this apart, but let's just see. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. So what I would end up doing is I would bring up a Word doc, and let me see if I can bring this over here, right? So let me get rid of that. I'll go ahead and drop those right there and make them a little bit bigger, right? And what I'll do is I will let me see if I can do this. Cut. Now let me repurpose it. All right, so it's going to keep that. So I'm going to get rid of all of these. So I'm not going to bother you with it on the video, but I'll get rid of the numbers and probably the quotation marks, and then I will drop those tags. Now, I do use a company called TubeBuddy, so there are some tags that I can use, and it will just put them um, right into the tags. Um, there we go. So again, TubeBuddy, you can check out TubeBuddy on your own. But guys, using ChatGPT, I can now go into the hundreds of videos that I've created, and I can optimize, like really optimize the titles, the descriptions, find tags. The AI will find tags that are optimized on Google searches for the topic of the video. So for those of you that do that automatically, you're gifted in that area. This would probably bore you. But for the majority of you guys that are struggling, this thing is legit, guys. I've been trying it out on several videos. So I'm going to leave it at that. Go check out the Chat GPT. They even have a Google Chrome edition you can put, and it'll go right up there to all your other Google Chrome tabs. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this thing is just, it's sexy as heck. So go check it out. And if you're like me, start reworking some of your videos that maybe haven't gotten a lot of views because you didn't really optimize it for the keyword which is relevant to the video. Hope this made sense. But I saw this. I wanted to bring you something that was beyond just a go get Chat GP. Man, I'm seeing that stuff all over the place, but they're not giving the actual content of why you need it. Well, if you are a business owner, a real estate agent, entrepreneur, and you do content, this is worth a check. All right, guys, I will talk to you on the next video. I appreciate you guys, and have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.